Okay, so for today, we're going to go ahead and show you how to divide a dividend by a divisor. And what you're going to end up with is a quotient. And sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. You might end up with a remainder. So with this one right here, we're going to see if we end up with a remainder. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to divide 495 divided by 4. Now, of course, when you divide, you always want to start in the hundreds place. You have your tens and you have your ones. So this is dividing using an area model. So of course, you're going to go ahead and write out your factors of 4. So you have 4 times 0 because you're dividing, your divisor is 4. So you're going to go ahead and write out your factors: 4 times 0, 4 times 1, 4 times 2, all the way up to 10. Now, to find your product, of course, you know anything times 0 is going to be 0, and anything times 1 is going to be that same number that you're multiplying by. And since you already know you're going to be multiplying by 4, you're just going to continue to add 4. Okay, so 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4 is 8. 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4 is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 40. Okay, so now we have to figure out in the hundreds place, how many times can 4 go into 4? Now, if you look at your factors, your products, you can see that in our hundreds place, 4 can go into 4 one time, because 4 times 1 equals to 4. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and get started. So 4 times 1, so I'm going to go ahead and put my 1, the hundreds. 4 times 1 equals to 4. So 4 subtract 4, remember you're going to subtract, give you 0. Now don't forget, you always have to regroup. Even though you have a 0, I would just make this a good habit and go ahead and regroup. Go ahead and regroup to 0 over here to the tens place. Okay, now we're in the tens place, we have 9. So how many times can 4 go into 9? So we look at our products, 0. Well, I think we can fit in a few more. 4. So we're trying to get as close to 9 without passing it. Now 12 would be too much. So I'm going to go ahead and get as close as I can to 9. So I'm going to stick to 4 times 2 equals to 8. So 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Okay. Again, you're going to subtract. You can find your difference. 9 take away 1. You have 9 take away 1. 9 take away 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're left with 1. So 9 subtract 8 is 1. Now the difference, what am I going to do with it? That's right. I have to regroup. So now in the ones place, that number becomes what? Moved it to 15. Again, we're in our ones place. We're trying to get as close to 15 as possible. So we're going to go back to our product: 0, 4, 8, 12, 16. Now 16 passes 15. So I'm probably going to go with what? 12. Okay. So how do I get 12? 4 times 3. So 4 times 3 is 12. What do I do next? That's right. Find my difference. 15 take away 12. 15 take away 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3. Left with 3. Can I regroup? So this difference, our number right here, is going to be our remainder, 3. So our quotient was 123.